Got it, y'all. Found me some Bitter Feminist Cachaça.
Perfect.
So I've been seeing this bottle all over Instagram, TikTok, just everywhere, and I've been trying to find this bottle locally. However, I just could not find it locally, so I just went ahead and ordered it. Okay, finally ordered it. It came in the mail, and I said I need to taste this cachaça, and I love a good caipirinha. I love a good caipirinha. Cachaça is a delicious Brazilian rum. It's from pressed sugar cane. I just can't explain how cachaça, it's just a totally different type of rum. If you've never tasted cachaça, please try it and try Bitter Feminist and see what you all think as well. But this is what we're about to do. I'm about to taste it to see what is all the hype. So finally got the bottle. Now it's time to taste it. This is 80 proof cachaça Brazilian rum. And from what I understand, if I'm not mistaken, it is owned and ran by women. Don't quote me on that. I have to do a little more research on it. I could not find that much information about it. It didn't go into that much of a detail. However, if I do, what I will do is I will include the link to their site. Maybe I didn't look hard enough, and I'll put it down in the description box, and you can click it to see if there's any other information that you would prefer. So let's go ahead and taste this cachaça to see if it's worth all the hype. Okay, let's see what it smells. Let's see what the nose says. Very light on the nose. I can smell the sugar. It smells like it's gonna be so smooth. That's what it smells like. It doesn't smell like it's gonna, cause any warmth going down. Smelling sugar, what is that? I smell pecans. This is what I'm smelling. Oh my gosh. Smell a little fruit. It just smells so good. I'm just gonna try this. I'm not gonna sit here and smell it. I'm not smelling this no more. I got to taste it. I've been waiting too long. Just what I said, smooth. When I say this is smooth, there's no heat. Now, wait, I'm gonna take that back. Wait a minute, because it's lingering now. It's lingering. Where I do feel the heat is not on my tongue. Guess why I feel it? In between my lip and my gums. Don't know why, but I do. I feel the warmth there, but everything else on my palate is pure taste. It's delicious. I can't even explain it. Just what am I tasting? It's so simple, but it's complex. Yes, I do taste sugar. Of course, it's from sugar cane, right? But I also taste pecan. I taste it's just so distinct. I can't describe what I'm tasting right now. Let me look at this bottle. It gotta give me a hint. frustrated because I can't describe what the hell I'm tasting over here. Well, guess what that means? You're just gonna have to taste it for yourself. But I'm here to tell you, it's worth it, it's good, it's delicious, it's smooth, it's not overpowering. As a matter of fact, we're gonna make a cocktail. Okay? We're gonna make a cocktail. Be right back. All right. We are gonna call this the Brazilian sunrise. I think that's what it's called, but if not, that's what I'm calling it because that's exactly what it looks like. So, of course, as usual, your 2 ounces of your favorite spirit. Gonna fill this up with ice. Wanted to make sure all my liquor was in there. And originally the recipe called for orange juice, but I don't particularly care for orange juice, so put in 6 ounces. This is mango juice. I'm just gonna put just that amount in there. 6 ounces. Just splash just a little grenadine. Not too much. Just to make it look like a sunrise. And of course, you can't have a drink without a cherry. It called for an orange, but I'm not much of an orange fan, so I'm just gonna put a cherry on top. And I'm gonna see what this tastes like as this drink. Oh yeah. Oh, that's some easy drinking. And that can be dangerous. That easy drinking can be dangerous. It's all flavor. It's all flavor. The smoothness and the mild flavor of this cachaça, it just complements. I just think it will complement anything that it's mixed with. I cannot wait to make my caipirinha with this. So, take my word for it. You want a smooth cachaça? Yes, I have other cachaças. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I have these two. This is a premium, and this is another good one. I've tried both of them. And actually, my favorite steak spot is Fogo de Chao and Show. Sorry, everybody. Anyway, the Brazilian steakhouse, they actually make their own cachaça. You can't even buy it anywhere. You can only get it at the steakhouse. But these are my 2 alternatives. As you can see, this gets used a lot. It's actually my preference. This is my alternative. I give this to company, to people who know no difference. Doesn't mean it's not good. It just means that it's not this higher dollar one. It's a little less. So now I have another cachaça, and I think this cachaça beat this cachaça out. That's my opinion. As a matter of fact, just so I don't leave you all and no one really knows if it actually is better. So I'm gonna taste this and compare it to what I just tasted here. See, now this, I smell more earth in this one, nothing in that. And this smells like it's gonna burn just a little bit. So, here we go. Now, this is smooth too. This is smooth too. But the flavor, Bitter Feminist, I'm sorry, Novo Fogo, Bitter Feminist has you beat in terms of flavor. Now, they're both smooth. This gave no heat, just so you know. Who won with smoothness? No vote. Who won with flavor? This one right here. They're both good, but depends on, on you. You can try it yourself, but I think I have a new favorite cachaça. Bitter Feminist, you're it. All right, everybody. I am done with this drink. I'm about to enjoy my drink and have a good evening. If you liked this video, please hit that like button so I will make more content. You have any comments? You have a cachaça that you prefer or you think that can outdo one of these? Please make it happen and put it in the comments and we'll taste it and see. Who knows? So, have a good evening. Check you out next time.